Did you know saving leaves, or leaving the leaves as it is often called, is important because they provide a crucial habitat and shelter for wildlife and help maintain soil quality by adding organic matter and suppressing weeds. Hi, I'm Moses, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you what I do with the leaves in my garden and how I use them in my raised beds. So, living in a country sitting like I do, I have access to a lot of leaves. And as I said in the opening, the leaves help with your soil by providing nutrients to microorganisms, which in turn your plants feed off of, which in turns feeds you. So what I normally do is rake up my leaves, and then I put them into either my leaf bag that I got off of Temu, or if I'm making compost, I will put them in my compost bin. So real quickly, we're gonna rake up a bunch of leaves, and then I'm going to show you how I do that. So we're here at my compost bin with the bag of leaves that I raked up, and I'll move closer so you can see how many there are. So we're going to take some of these and put into the bin, and then um, moisten them down or wet them down to help speed up the breakdown process. But then the rest of these are going to be for a future project that I have. I hope to be getting another raised bed, and these will go into the bed. So I'm going to take the cover off of this. And just take handfuls of the leaves and press them in. One more. Then, as I said, we're going to get a little water and water it down, wet it. And then we're going to cover it back up or put the lid back on. And just like that, we're done. So a lot of you have mentioned in videos that my garden looks so nice and tidy. And one of the reasons because of that is that I'm always raking and removing leaves that, while they are beneficial, sometimes will become a nuisance and make everything untidy and cluttered. If you leave too many leaves lying around, especially in the spring and summertime, you get what's known as a lot of shoulderless critters running around. And by that, I mean snakes. Now, in my area, we do have a few poisonous snakes, but most of them are harmless. But I also have my grandchildren that are constantly outside playing and stuff like that. So it's imperative and very important to me that I always keep everything nice and neat. So sometimes you may see me burn stuff off, like after the storm with the tree, we burned a lot of the ground to get rid of the extra kindling, which is exactly what it was, so that there wouldn't be any issues and that it would look neat, and eventually it will grow back, and that's what it has already started to do. So I hope you enjoyed the video and learned the importance of making use of your leaves. Leaves are important. They feed the ground, they feed the microorganisms, who in turn feed the plants, who in turn feed us. So they are very important. I hope you enjoyed the video and you got something out of it. I hope it brought a smile to your face. If it did, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of vegetables by myself, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell all, so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Chances are, if you like my content, your family and friends will also. Until next time, always remember, give God the thanks, for without him, we are nothing. Take care.